Taping for the hyperextension of the elbow joint. An elbow hyperextension injury occurs when the elbow is bent back the wrong way. This type of injury occurs most frequently in contact sports, such as rugby or certain martial arts. This overstraightening causes damage to the ligaments and structures of the elbow. This tape job will provide support for the injured ligaments. Things you will need include 1.5 inch adhesive tape, pre-wrap, or an elastic bandage, and adhesive spray can also be used. So the first step is to get your patient or athlete in the correct position. So you want to tell your athlete to bend their arm like they're flexing their arm to show off their bicep muscle. The next step will be to apply your pre-wrap around the bicep and around the forearm, going down. You can make a figure 8 position if you want to be fancy, or you can just do around the arm like I just did now. The next step will be to take your adhesive 1.5 inch tape, and we're going to apply anchor strips. So I'm starting here at the forearm, going around the arm. I'm going to apply 3 anchor strips around the forearm. You can apply 3 to 6 anchor strips depending on the size of the person's arm. The next step would be to apply 3 anchor strips around the bicep, making sure that the tape is tight and neat for a more clean look. Make sure your patient or athlete is keeping their arm in the correct position the whole time the taping is going on, or the tape job will not come out correctly. The next step will be to take your tape and measure from the bicep to the forearm the size of the tape. We will now create a fan using 3 to 6 pieces of tape. I'm going to use 3 pieces because she has a medium-sized arm. You take the pieces and you're going to cross them in an X pattern or like a Y pattern. And I've measured the pieces based on the first piece I've measured. And you're going to stick them together to create a little X. Then you're going to anchor the top of the fan to the bicep. And then you're going to anchor more tape around it to secure the top part. Make sure that it is secure so that it does not slip. Then you're going to pull the bottom piece and secure it down on the forearm with more tape. Make sure you pull tightly to get tension on the tape. Now I'm going to add a few more anchor strips so that the tape does not slip and that it is on securely and tightly. And that is it. That is how you perform a hyperextension tape job for the elbow.